range with a break. So let me check range with a break here. We're going to use the break statement here. So example number 7, while true for n in range of 2, 6, take the print of n. If n equals to 3, take the break. When you run it, you will get 2, 3. This will be the output here. Look, we have used two loops, a while loop and the for loop. While loop executes multiple times. It is true all the time. The for loop will iterate over each and every single item of the range. Like, what are items? Items are from 2 to 6. These are the items. What is the range? The range is from 2 to 6. 2 is the initial point and 6 is the ending point. It is the range with the two arguments. And then take the print of n. And then to pass the conditional statement, if n equals to 3, then take the break. As you know that the while loop executes all the time. It is true all the time. The for loop will iterate first or the first item, which is 2. So you will get 2 in the output, and then it will iterate for the second time, which is the third item. The third item will be 3. What is the second item? After 2 we have 3. So 3 will be printed in the output. And then it will stop iteration. It will take a break. Because exactly at n equals to 3 we had a break. So at n equals to 3 the loop will stop working. It will stop iteration. That's why we can take a break in the middle of the iteration. We can stop the iteration here. So 3 has been printed, but beyond the 3 we don't have any output. Now look, what will happen if we tag the print of n after the break statement? After the break statement, look, if you put print of n after the break statement, you won't see 3. You will only see 2 here. 3 will not be included. But since print of n has been included before the break statement, therefore 3 has been included in the output, 2 and 3. But beyond 3 we have a break, because exactly at n equals to 3 we have a break. So the loop will stop iteration. So it is the range with the break statement. Range with the break statement.